Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth analysis of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of sewing with a product that's been making waves, the 4-pack Sewing Thimble Finger Protector by TADAE. This set of sewing thimbles has been gaining popularity for its versatility, durability, and comfort. Whether you're a seasoned seamstress or just starting out, these thimbles are designed to make your sewing experience smoother and more enjoyable. So, what makes these thimbles stand out from the rest? Let's take a look at some key features. First off, this set comes with 4 thimbles in 2 different sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for fingers of all shapes and sizes. Whether you have long fingernails or short, these thimbles can be adjusted to fit comfortably, thanks to their open-sided design. Made from metal alloy brass, these thimbles are built to last. They're flexible, reusable, and great for all types of hand sewing, needlework, and needlepoint projects. Say goodbye to flimsy, disposable thimbles. These ones are here to stay. One of the best things about these thimbles is how comfortable they are to wear. The open-top design allows your finger to breathe, preventing perspiration and discomfort during long sewing sessions. Plus, the adjustable fit ensures that they stay securely in place, even during the most intricate stitching. Now that we've covered the features, let's talk about the benefits of using these thimbles. First and foremost, these thimbles provide excellent protection for your fingers. Whether you're working with sharp needles or tough fabrics, you can sew with confidence knowing that your fingers are safe from pricks and punctures. With 4 thimbles in 2 different sizes, you'll always have the right tool for the job. Keep a set in your sewing kit, your craft room, or even your purse. You never know when you'll need to do a quick repair or stitching on the go. At just $3.39 for a pack of 4, these thimbles offer incredible value for money. Comparable sets can cost upwards of $10 or more, making these a budget-friendly option for sewers of all skill levels. And there you have it, the 4-pack Sewing Thimble Finger Protector by TADAE. With their adjustable fit, durable construction, and unbeatable value, these thimbles are truly the best choice for anyone who loves to sew. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews of the hottest products on the market. Until next time, happy sewing!